Hello techies, I hope you are doing well. So in this video we will learn how to install XAMPP server on Windows 11. So for this go to the browser and search for XAMPP download and go to the first website. Here you can see this is the latest version of XAMPP server for Windows. This is 8.0.30. So click on this download button to download this. I have already downloaded, so we will go to the file manager and see I have installed it. So I am going to run this. Click on this yes button. Now it will take a while to install it completely. Click this OK button. This is an important message that is showing up to you. Click on the next button. Next, this is the location where all the data of the XAMPP server will be installed. So you can change it from here if you want to install it in another driver. If you want to keep it as default, then keep as it is and click on this next button. Next and next. So now it is installing. Wait for some time. Installation is finished, so click on this finish button and this is open, this XAMPP control panel. So click on this Apache server and this MySQL server. Allow this. After that you can visit this admin panel of this Apache server. So this is showing this XAMPP, Apache plus MariaDB plus PHP plus Perl. So this is the local host. Click on this admin panel to see the MySQL. Here you can create your database from here by clicking on this new option. Give a database name like demo, for example. Click on this create button. Give a table name like student. Number of columns you can choose from here. Now you can give column names like student ID, student roll number, student SID, student branch, and here you can fill all the criterias that are asking from here. So these are the basic steps to create a database. Now if you want to run any code, so you can do it from here. For this you need to just go to the folder where XAMPP server has been installed. So go to the C drive. You can see here a XAMPP folder. Go to this. Go to the htdocs folder. Here you can create a folder. For example, I am creating like demo, and open this with the Visual Studio Code Editor. We can also use any other editor, but here I am using VS Code. So open this code editor, go to the File tab, click on this Open Folder option, go to the C drive, again go to XAMPP folder, this htdocs, this demo folder just created, this select this folder and click on this. That is previously filed I have opened, so I'm just going to don't save it. See, this demo folder has been opened here. Now click here a file name called index.php. So this is the extension .php that will save in the .php file. Okay, so here write the code of PHP and write here code echo hello world. And just save it, save this code, go to this localhost server, type here localhost and just write what is the folder name, that was demo, then index.php. See, this hello world is showing here because I have created a folder in this XAMPP server folder under the htdocs folder, and that is accessed from this local server. So this is the basically XAMPP server working. It is mainly used for WordPress. So these are this procedures to install the XAMPP server on your Windows 11. So I hope you understand everything. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you later in this next video.